This is going to be an instructional tutorial video of how to install OTRS Network Edition. We are going to follow these 5 steps and get ready to use the software. To begin, please access the link to OTRS support website, which is provided in the user registration card. Once you access the website, please click on Register on the left. Here, please fill out your protect key and password, which is also provided in the user registration card, and click Register. Please read the terms of use and click I agree. Then, please fill in the required information to proceed with account registration. Once all fields have been completed, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the red Register button. Now a registration confirmation email will be sent to the email address you just registered. So please click the URL included in the email to complete the registration process. After clicking the URL, you will see a message saying registration has been completed. So now you can log in using the email address and password you just registered. Now you're logged in, so please go to Download Service and click OTRS10 Installer. And click on the download page of the latest version of OTRS Network Edition. On this page, you will find your install code. Please make sure to take note of it as you will need it later during the installation process. And read through the terms, check agree, and download. The next step is extracting the zip file we just downloaded. I brought it here on my desktop. Please right-click and open Properties. Check this unblock of the security at the bottom, and then Apply and OK. Please right-click the zip file again, extract all, and extract. And we will move on to the next step. So please double-click on the OTRS Network Authentication Client, and then right-click on the Set App Execute file, and click Run as Administrator. During this process, you might be requested to install Microsoft Visual C. If this message shows up, please proceed. After the installation of Microsoft Visual C is completed, the installation dialog of OTRS10 shows up. So click on Next, Next, and Next. And once the installation is completed, just click on Close. And open the OTRS Network Authentication Client we just installed. Here. So we will start with Initial Setting to check the network environment. This kitting window appears, so click on Communication. So this is checking the network connection. So you will see the success message, and then Save, and Yes. You can close this window and we'll move on to the activation. So here, please fill in the EID and the product key, which you can find in the license certificate. As a side note, when you do the copy paste, you'd better use the right-click copy of your mouse instead of Ctrl+C. So once you are done, click on Activate and Yes. Success message pops up, click OK, and you can close this window. Now the activation is completed, so we'll move on to the installation of OTRS. We'll open this extracted folder again, double-click on OTRS folder, right-click the execute file, and click Run as Administrator. So click on Next. Here, check I agree. Next. Select your language and click Next, Next. Click OK. When you're asked for the installation code, please put your installation code you found on OTRS support website at the beginning. Click OK, and the installation is completed. You can close this and this. Once the installation is finished successfully, you will find this OTRS icon on your desktop. So double click the icon and you're now ready to use OTRS10.